In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how this ebook, which I gave away for free, actually helped me generate thousands of dollars per month in my affiliate marketing business. We're going to go through the simple process so that you can create something that you can give away and start making some money. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so this video is actually based on a suggestion by one of my viewers. He wanted to know how we could create an ebook and start making money. So we're gonna go through this entire process. It's very simple, in fact, and we are going to actually start making money potentially with a free ebook. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to pick a niche. Now, a niche is just an area where you want to create content. The reason why you have to pick a niche, especially in 2023, is because people that are interested in, let's say, basket weaving are probably also not interested in fishing. So you have to focus on one target market, one area, and decide that's where you're going to create content. That's all that picking a niche is. This shouldn't take too long, maybe 10, 15 minutes at the most. Now, you have to realize that any niche can work. So pick one, put your foot in the ground, pick one, and move on to the next step. Now that you have picked a niche, you need to think about 5 to 10 different products that you can promote within that niche. For example, if I want to give away a free ebook helping people start a blog, I need to think about all of the different things that they may want and need that will help them start the blog and make money. For example, they're going to need web hosting. They're going to probably need a WordPress theme. They're also going to probably want a course on how to write a blog or how to start a blog. They probably want stock photos. They may need a photo editing. They may need video editing. They may need a whole masterclass on YouTube. The next step is you are simply going to go find different affiliate programs. Now, this part is really easy. Let me show you how I do it. For example, if I wanted to find a web hosting company, I'd go over to the internet and I'd type in web hosting affiliate programs. And what I would do is I would get a list of different web hosting affiliate programs. Now, it's really important that when you do this process, you have to understand your target market. For example, people that are enrolling in something like SiteGround for web hosting are going to be a different group of people potentially that are interested in HostGator or Bluehost or some of those other web hosting platforms out there. It's important that you understand your target market or target audience so you can help them solve their problem. So you're going to apply to a bunch of affiliate programs. Now, some of them are going to reject you. That's okay. There are literally 5,000 plus affiliate programs out there. So there's going to be some that reject you. There's going to be many more that approve you. The next step is to go out and create your ebook. Now, what I like to do, and as you saw in the first half of this video, I actually created my ebook with Google Docs. I create it with Google Docs because it's simple, it's easy, and it doesn't take a lot of time. Now, here, people are going to make the mistake of trying to use ChatGPT to do everything. I don't think that's a good idea. I've talked about ChatGPT and some of the drawbacks, limitations of it. So you can help ChatGPT to give you an outline. Don't use it as your primary source of content. What I would do if I was going to use ChatGPT, I would say, please create an outline of the steps to start a blog. Okay? It's going to give us an outline. It's going to give us some steps. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take that outline and then we're going to simply plug it into our Google Doc. Okay? So step one would be like web hosting. And then you're just going to write about web hosting, what it is, why it's important. Now, this is important because you want to build trust with your target audience. You don't just want to put your affiliate links in here. You want to make sure that you need to make sure that they understand what it is, why they need it, and how it can help them. And then you're going to say something like, click here for the best web hosting provider for beginners. And then this is where you're going to put in your affiliate link. Now, if I'm an affiliate for HostGator, I'm simply going to just highlight this, click link, and then I'm going to put in my affiliate link right there. Now, there's a different way that you could actually create an ebook that we'll talk about in just a moment, but this is the fastest way to get up and going. With this method, you don't need to have an eye for design. You don't need to have, this great technical skills. You're just conveying information. So you're simply just going to go through and what I would do is I would make this maybe heading 1, and then you're going to do the same thing for the second thing that they need is they're going to need WordPress themes. Then once again, you're going to explain to them what WordPress theme is, why they need it, and how it can help them. and then you're going to put in your affiliate link right here. It says, so what I would say here is I would say, click here to purchase premium WordPress themes. And then once again, I'm going to put in my affiliate link. Now, in between the heading and your affiliate link, you're obviously going to have text. I want to make sure that I put that in. You're going to have lines of text here, and you're once again going to explain to them. You're going to help solve their problem. You're going to help answer the question. And this is where the 5 to 10 different affiliate programs come in. They might not need web hosting. They might already have web hosting, which is fine. However, they might not realize that they should have a premium WordPress theme, or they may not realize that there are a bunch of different places to get stock photos, and maybe they shouldn't use free stock photo sites. This simple free PDF will help make you thousands of dollars per month. You're giving away something for free. You're giving away something of value, and people will click on your links, okay? So now that you have that, you have 2 options. One, you can simply download this as a PDF. So I'm just gonna give you an example. We're gonna make this alstongodbolt.com like this. We're gonna assume that this is an affiliate link. You can either download this as a PDF. So we're gonna go download, and we are going to click on PDF document. That's gonna download to your computer. Or if you wanna go an extra step, which is A-OK, you can go over to Canva and you can go ebook, like this. And then it's going to give you a bunch of templates. Some are going to be free, some are going to be paid. If you click on, I think this one's free, we're going to customize this template, and then we're just going to give our ebook a name. We could call this something like, we'll call this like blogging in a minute, something along those lines, okay? And then you've got an ebook cover. And the cool thing is with this cover, you can actually put this cover on a landing page. And now that you've got your cover here, you can go add page, and then you can make it more aesthetically pleasing. But for the most part, it's going to be the same. You're going to come back over to Canva, and you're going to go text, heading, and then we're going to do something like, we'll say step 1, get a domain name and web hosting. Okay, and you can make this a lot smaller. And then once again, you're going to have text here. Okay, so we're going to do another body, and then we're going to say something like web hosting is important because blah, 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 blah. All right. And further down here, we're going to do a subheading, and then we could say something like click here for the best web hosting provider for beginners. And I would make this probably 1 page, and we'll do that. Actually, let's center that. And then once again, we're going to go grab our affiliate link. So we'll click on this thing, click link here, and then we can add in our website just like this. And then the last thing that we want to do is we want to change this to blue, because most people expect to see a blue link. So we change that to blue. And again, we're going to download this as a PDF. Now, it's important that you download it as a PDF, because if you download it as anything else, the links won't be clickable. So we're in Canva, we're going to click on PDF standard, download, and this is going to download to our computer. So if we open up both of them, this is the one that we did in Google Docs. When I click on this, it should take us over to alstongodbolt.com. That's my website. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. If we look at this one right here, you can see, once again, if we click on this, it should take us to alstongodbolt.com. I didn't put in HTTPS, but as you can see, it works. But this is all you need to do. Now that you have it on your computer, the next step is to go over to Google Drive, which is a free hosting service, and you're going to upload your new PDF into Google Drive. And what you're going to do is you're going to basically give out that link, and people will have access to that link. They'll be able to download it, and they'll have access to your affiliate links. So now that you have all of that background information, you have all of that set up, the final step really is to drive traffic to your PDF. Now, I recommend that you set up email marketing. That's going to be the best way to be successful, and you're going to deliver that free PDF in your autoresponder sequence. Some people don't want to do email marketing. If you don't do email marketing, which is fine, your conversion rates are going to drop dramatically because most people don't buy right away. So let's assume that you decide not to do email marketing, okay? Which is fine. Your conversion rates are going to drop by 85% of the people that we're going to buy. Even though you're giving away this free PDF, you're going to miss out on 85 cents for every dollar that you should have made. Again, most people don't buy right away. In fact, Most people will read the ebook once and then they'll file away, never to read it again. So I strongly recommend that you collect emails. Now you can use GetResponse, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use System.io, you can use Aweber. There are tons of softwares out there. The final step is simply to drive traffic. And you're going to drive traffic by going on social media, YouTube, starting your own blog, anywhere where people are already hanging out. You're going to create content to attract people that are going to be interested in what you're giving away. For example, if people want to start a blog, we can create content on different ways to make money online, different ways to earn passive income. And we can say one of the best ways to earn passive income is by starting a blog. And then you can say, hey, look, if you want to learn how to start a blog step by step, click the first link in the description or swipe left or whatever platform you're on. And then your audience that is interested in your niche and interested in your free product, they're going to swipe left or they're going to get to your free product. And then a portion of them are going to click on your links. Now, more importantly, and why you want email marketing is you can follow up with people again and again and again. So on day 1, you can give away the free PDF. On day 2, you could actually send an email saying, hey, did you read the PDF? If you didn't, go check out the PDF. On day 3, you could say, hey, if you didn't get a chance to read that PDF, let me break it down for you step by step. And then in fact, you could actually include your affiliate links in the email marketing system or autoresponder. So that's how step by step you actually make thousands of dollars per month by giving away something for free. People will find value out of it and you can make money. Now that you know how to make thousands of dollars per month giving away free ebooks, click the first link in the description for my free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to download those planners today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.